It's grab a random time, and we're looking for some randoms to take to fabulous Fiji.
No! You don't swear. Zip Fiji high flying adventure.
Woo! Super excited.
Yeah, so that's our first surprise.
And it just broke off.
Oh, that's great.
I ate a bug.
Heavenly spa. We need that after sweating so much. Yeah, I'm allergic to coconut. I just get laughed at here. I don't want coconut. They're like, what? Oh!
An unforgettable culinary adventure.
This is our brown coconut.
Alright, what are we doing?
Cloud 9 floating paradise.
Oh my God. Look at this! Incredible. We're really high up though. Ah.
We had the most amazing trip. Lots and lots of sun. It was fantastic. So
was
beautiful.
awesome.
We're
Yeah.
so thankful
Yeah.
to Air New Zealand Gramercy.
There's so much more to do than just come to a resort and just flop out and chill. Oh, it's been awesome. Like, it's something that I will remember for the rest of my life.